So who is a labor? Okay, always a question arises related to the second factor of production, who is most important from the organization's viewpoint. So, who is labor? Yes, in simple language, okay, in simple language, or the simply meaning of the term labor, okay, through the meaning of labor, we mean that the work done, okay, the work done by hard manual labor, mostly work done by unskilled worker. Okay, see, when we consider the simple definition, okay, when we consider the simple definition of labor, okay, generally whenever we utter the word labor, okay, generally whenever we utter the word labor, what it means? Yes, labor means, okay, anything. Labor means anything, okay. Or whenever we imagine labor means a person who is doing a physical work, is it? Okay, so when we consider this person labor, okay, when we consider this person labor, okay, what do you mean by labor? Yes, a labor means a person who is doing hard manual work, is it? And many of the time, to describe the unskilled worker itself, okay, to describe the unskilled worker itself, okay, most of the time to describe this person, the word labor it is used. In other words, we can say that, okay, in other words we can say that labor includes both physical and mental work undertaken for some monetary reward. See, we are aware about the factors of production, isn't it? We are aware about the factors of production, okay. See, there are four factors of production, right? Okay, there are four factors of production. Which are those? Yes, the four factors of production are land, labor, capital, and entrepreneur. So when we consider all these four factors of production, okay, when we consider all these four factors of production, what is more important? Yes, it is more important that, okay, all these four factors of production they should work hand in hand. That is, okay, the skill of organizing all these factors of production, it lasts with the fourth factor of production, that is entrepreneur, okay. But each factor is that important, okay, each factor is that important. Means when we consider land, yes, to to start the production activity, yes, to start the production activity, what we are in need of? Yes, we do need land, right? So when we consider all these factors of production, what is more important? Yes, it is more important that, okay, everything, okay, everything, it should, yes, be well organized, okay. So the second factor, first factor was land, okay. See, why do we need land? We need land so as we can operate, or we can initiate our business, we can establish at our organization there, is it? Okay, then the second thing is, yes, why do we need labor? Okay, labor is needed, yes. So, when we consider the four factors of production, and that is land, labor, capital, entrepreneur, okay, the second factor, that is labor, is very important because see, every factor of production, they do have their importance, is it? And they do have their position also. Okay, means when we consider land, when we consider labor, when we consider capital, when we consider entrepreneur, is it? All this, they do have, all these factors of production, they do have their importance, is it? So when we come across, the term labor, who is a labor? Yes, usually when we consider labor, usually when we do consider labor, okay, somewhere a person who is doing the physical work, okay, who is taking the efforts to complete the production activity of a factory, okay, this person is termed as labor, okay. But here, when we consider the word labor, okay, into Indian labor market, okay, who is this labor? Yes, a labor is a person who engages himself both in physical as well as mental work. Okay. Now this physical as well as mental work, it is undertaken for some monetary reward. Okay. For getting some monetary reward. Is it? See, whenever this person, he gives his efforts towards the organization's work or to complete the production activity. So, when we consider the second factor of production, that is labor. Who is a labor? Yes, labor is a person. Labor is a person who usually, okay, what he does? Yes, this person, he works for completing the production activity. For completing the production activity itself, this person takes a effort. Okay. So when we consider this person, yes, he is very important, one of the factor of production. Okay. Because when we think about this person, okay, unless until this person takes the efforts, okay, unless until this person takes the effort, okay, the production activity will never be completed. Okay, the production activity will never be completed, is it? Okay, बघा हा जो व्यक्ती आहे ज्याला आपण लेबरर असं म्हणतो. ओके, बघा जे 4 फॅक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन आहे त्या फॅक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शनमधला हा सेकंड फॅक्टर ऑफ प्रोडक्शन आहे ज्याच्याशिवाय प्रोडक्शन ॲक्टिव्हिटी कंप्लीट होऊ शकत नाही. म्हणजे त्यांनी समजा काम केलं नाही तर प्रोडक्शन ॲक्टिव्हिटी कंप्लीट होऊ शकत नाही. ओके, गेटिंग इट? सो येस, ओके, दिस पर्सन, this labor, he takes efforts to complete, yes, to complete the production activity. He takes efforts to complete the production activity. Okay, getting it? So when we consider this person, okay, when we consider this person, that is, yes, the labor, why he is important? Yes, he is important because, yes, when it comes to the production activity, yes, this person physically works on the machinery, he works on the machinery, and is it whatsoever the inputs are offered to him, and whatsoever tools and equipments you do offer to this person, okay, by using it, what he does is he contributes towards production process of your organization. Okay, and once you complete the production activity, is it, once you complete the production activity, then it will be quite easier for your organization. Yes, it will be quite easier for your organization to, yes, to complete, okay, to complete and accomplish the goals and tasks which, yes, which are related to, yes, which are related to your organization. Okay, getting it? So In this way, workers working in factories, is it services of doctors, advocates, officers, and teachers, they are all included in labor. Any physical or mental work which is not undertaken for getting income but simply to attain pleasure or happiness is not labor. Okay, when it comes to labor, labor means yes, the work done, is it the work done for getting income. Okay, keep this in mind. Let's see the definition of labor. Yes, according to Professor Marshall, any exertion of mind or body undergone partially or wholly with a view to earning some good or other than the pleasure derived directly from the work. Okay, according to Professor J. Vance, labor is any exertion of mind or body undertaken partly or wholly with a view to some good or other than the pleasure derived directly from the work. Okay, as per S.E. Thomas, okay, labor connotes all the human efforts of body or mind which are undertaken in the expectation of reward. Okay, see what is a labor? Okay, by labor it means that, okay, by labor it means that, see, something which is related to mind or body, okay, which is undertaken partly or wholly with a view to earn some benefits, some good other than the pleasure derived directly from the good or from the work. Okay, see, as per these thinkers, what is labor? As per this thinker, what is labor? Yes, labor means that, labor means that yes, labor means something which is related to mind, something which is related to mind, yes, something which is related to mind, or something which is, yes, done so that, okay, something which is done so that, okay, you can earn good, okay, or some earnings, okay, you can earn something from it, okay, and this activity, and this activity it is not done, is it, and this activity it is not done for, okay, and this activity it is not done for any kind of pleasure but to earn something. ओके, बघा लेबर म्हणजे काय, इज इट, हे थिंकर्स जे आहेत, हे तीन थिंकर्स जे आहेत, प्रोफेसर मार्शल, प्रोफेसर जे वॉन्स, इज इट, प्रोफेसर S.E. थॉमस, ओके, लेबर डिफाईन करताना हे नेमकं काय म्हणत आहेत? येस, ते म्हणतात की, येस, काय असं लेबर, लेबर एक एक्झर्शन आहे, ओके, एक्झर्शन आहे, कशाचं एक्झर्शन आहे? एक्झर्शन ऑफ माइंड, ओके, काय आहे लेबर? लेबर म्हणजे, ओके, काहीतरी ॲक्टिव्हिटी आहे जी माइंड थ्रू किंवा बॉडी थ्रू केलेली असते. कोणी केलेली असते? तर एखाद्या इंडिव्हिज्युअलनी केलेली असते, ओके, आणि का केलेली असते? तर काहीतरी अर्न करण्यासाठी, ओके. आता अर्निंगचं स्वरूप दोन प्रकारे असू शकतं. एक म्हणजे गुड्सच्या स्वरूपात अर्निंग होईल किंवा मनीच्या स्वरूपात अर्निंग होईल, ओके, ज्याला आपण इन्कम असं म्हणतो, ओके. आता ही जी ॲक्टिव्हिटी तो व्यक्ती करतो आहे, हा इंडिव्हिज्युअल ही जी ॲक्टिव्हिटी करतो आहे त्याच्यामुळे, ओके, त्याच्यामुळे त्याला कोणत्याही प्रकारे प्लेजर मिळालं नाही पाहिजे किंवा स्वतःच्या प्लेजरसाठी स्वतःच्या काय म्हणतात त्याला ॲज अ एंटरटेनमेंटसाठी ओके त्यांनी ती गोष्ट केली नाही पाहिजे. ओके सो when it comes to the word labor, what is labor? Labor means any exertion of mind or body undergone partially or wholly with a view to earning some good other than the pleasure derived directly from the work. Okay, directly from the work. Okay, getting it? So, yes, labor is an effort taken by human being. Okay, labor is an effort taken by whom? By a human being. Okay, why? Yes, through this effort itself, okay, through this effort itself, okay, what you are required to do? Yes, through this effort itself you are required to complete something. Yes, you are required to complete something. Okay, what? Yes, the task whichever is allotted to you, and through that task, okay, which is allotted to you, what you are required to do? Yes, you are required, okay, you are required to complete that task, okay, and for that a reward will be paid to you. Okay, for that a reward will be paid to you. What is the reward? Yes, the reward is all about, yes, the reward is all about yes, the reward is all about the work which you have provided or the efforts which you have given to the organization. That is, the efforts which you give towards the completion of the production activity. Okay, getting it? So, लेबर म्हणजे कोण आहे बघा? लेबर म्हणजे एक ह्युमन बिंग आहे इज इट जो स्वतःच्या बॉडी थ्रू और माइंड थ्रू ओके स्वतःच्या बॉडी थ्रू और माइंड थ्रू काय करतो? येस, एफर्ट्स घेतो. ओके, स्वतःच्या बॉडी थ्रू किंवा माइंड थ्रू एफर्ट्स घेतो इज इट. आणि एफर्ट्स घेऊन मग काय करतो तो? येस, हे एफर्ट्स घेतल्यामुळे येस हे एफर्ट्स घेतल्यामुळे काय होतं? एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ रिवॉर्ड. ओके, रिवॉर्ड तो एक्सपेक्ट करतो, रिवॉर्ड तो एक्सपेक्ट करतो. ओके, कळत आहे का? ओके, बघा, लेबरच्या डेफिनेशनमध्ये एक फक्त एक्सेप्शन आहे की त्याने एक काम अर्निंगसाठी केलं पाहिजे, त्याने ते ॲज इट एफर्ट्स अर्निंगसाठी घेतले पाहिजेत. ओके, आणि ना की स्वतःच्या प्लेजरसाठी. ओके, गेटिंग इट? म्हणजे काय की वेन वी थिंक अबाउट द लेबरर, ओके, हू इज अ लेबरर? हू इज अ लेबर? एनी एक्झर्शन of mind or body undertaken partly or wholly with a view to earning some good other than the pleasure derived directly from the work. Okay, According to Professor Gibbons, labor is an exertion of mind or body undertaken partly or wholly with a view to some good other than the pleasure derived directly from the work. As per S.C. Thomas, labor connotes all human efforts of body or mind which are undertaken in the expectation of reward. Okay, getting it? Importance of labor in production. Labor is the fundamental and active factor of production. Okay, when we consider the four factors of productions which are needed, okay, for the completion of production process. Okay, when we think about the four factors of production which are needed, okay, which are needed to complete the production process, okay, who is important? Yes, the laborer, because amongst the other factors of production, amongst the other factor of production, okay, the labor is the active factor of production. Okay, the labor and entrepreneur, these two are the active factors of production, and other factors, they are passive in nature. Okay, they are passive in nature. Okay, so when we come across, okay, when we come across this labor, okay, when we come across this labor, okay, why this labor is that important? Yes, because yes, somewhere to complete your production process itself, somewhere to complete your production process itself, this person is very much needed. Is it? Unless until he contributes, unless until he contributes towards your production activity, yes, unless until he contributes towards the production activity, yes, your production process will not be completed. Okay, so labor has important contribution to the production of commodities. Okay, so whenever the subject, that is production of commodities, okay, this is kept into the mind, okay, labor, yes, labor will always be there to contribute to the production of commodities. Okay, then labor is the exertion of mind and body undertaken with a view to some goods other than the pleasure directly derived from the work. So, what is labor? Yes, labor is the exertion of mind, okay, and body. Okay, the efforts are taken through mind and body. Okay, why they are undertaken? Yes, with a view to get some good or to get something which is other than pleasure, which is directly derived from the work which they do. So, when we come across the importance of labor in production, okay, this person is very important. Okay, this person is very important. Is it? Okay, like a commodity, labor cannot be stored and withdrawn from the market for a favorable time if the wages offered in is low. Is it? See, laborers are something which you can't preserve. Okay, means whenever you need, at the time you use them, whenever you are not in need, withdraw them. This can't be happening. Is it? See, you are supposed to store them, you are supposed to store them in the sense you are supposed to retain these people, you are supposed to retain these people. Okay, getting it? Further, labor is inseparable. Yes, labor is inseparable from laborers and has to be delivered personally. Okay, working conditions or environment are of great importance. Okay, so when we consider labor, labor is, yes, it is inseparable from laborer. Labor is inseparable from laborer. Okay, and it has to be delivered personally. Okay, it is inseparable from laborers. Okay, you can't separate it from the laborers. Okay, getting it? And it has to be delivered personally. Okay, working conditions or environment are of great importance. Okay, working conditions or environment, they are that important. Okay. See, you can't separate the laborer and the labor. Is it? Yes, that laborer, he himself delivers the labor personally. Okay. Working conditions or the environment, okay, they play a very important role. Why? Because if the working conditions, if they are not feasible, if the working conditions they are not feasible, if they are not good, then what happens? Yes, that person will never like to work. The person will never like to work. Okay, getting it? Okay, if the place of work is congenial and the management is kind hearted, even a lower wage can be acceptable. Okay, see, if if there is soundness, if there is soundness into your organization, if there is a soundness into your organization, is it? And the employer, that is the person who is owner of the organization, if he is kind hearted, means he is good at heart, right? This person is good at heart, then surely, even though you pay low wages to your employee, he will be satisfied. Is it? So, labor has a weak bargaining power. Therefore, the employer has an upper hand in labor transactions and the wage given is lower than its due. So, when it comes to labor, yes, when it comes to labor, yes, this person is very kind hearted, okay, and he has a weak bargaining power actually. Okay, so usually who leads such type of labor transactions? Yes, the employer. The supply of labor cannot quickly adjust to the change in demand. The wages sometimes rule higher and at other times lower than need be. Okay, see, as per the change in demand, the labor cannot be quickly adjusted. The wages sometimes rule higher and other times lower than need be. as the labor has no calculable cost of production, it has to be satisfied with the wage it can receive or it receives. Okay, see, when it comes to labor and a reward which is offered to that, okay, as per the demand, the supply is not there, and in some seasons the laborer they are paid high, and in some seasons they are paid low. Okay, getting it? Therefore, Karl Marx has said capital is the collective shape of labor. Capital is a collective shape of labor performed in the past. Land which has been made for productive purposes is the important effort of labor. Hence, we cannot ignore the importance of labor in economics. Okay? Therefore, there are some important facts regarding labor. Which are those? Yes, first one is only the work of man is included under labor. Okay, means when we consider labor, yes, whose efforts are this? These are the efforts of human beings. Okay, only human beings efforts they are included in the term labor. ओके, बघा, जेव्हा आपण लेबर ह्या शब्दाचा विचार करतो, ओके, लेबर या शब्दाचा विचार करतो तेव्हा कोण येतं ह्या लेबरमध्ये? ओके, वर्क ऑफ मॅन, दॅट इज ओके, फक्त मनुष्य किंवा ह्युमन एफर्ट्स ज्याला म्हणतो किंवा ह्युमन बिईंग्स ज्यांना म्हणतो आपण, इज इट, हे ह्युमन बिईंग्स लेबर ह्या टायटल अंडर येतील. Yes, the efforts, that is human efforts, they are included under labor. Okay, means other animals they are not included. Okay, the efforts done by human being, okay, they are included under the title labor. Okay, getting it? So if we consider other animals, yes, they are not included. They are not included. Okay, getting it? Then the physical and mental work undertaken for some monetary reward is included under labor. Okay, see, it does includes both physical and mental work. Yes, it does includes physical and mental work. Whose physical and mental work? Yes, the physical and mental work performed by, okay, the physical and the mental work performed by, yes, the laborer. Okay, and why this physical and mental work is done? Yes, it is undertaken for some monetary reward. Okay, it is undertaken for some monetary reward. बघा, जेव्हा आपण लेबरचा विचार करतो तेव्हा दोन्ही गोष्टी येतात त्याच्यामध्ये, फिजिकल अँड मेंटल वर्क. ओके, फिजिकल अँड मेंटल वर्क. कोणाचं फिजिकल अँड मेंटल वर्क? येस ऑफकोर्स त्या लेबरर्सचं. ओके, का तो करतो असे फिजिकल अँड मेंटल वर्क? उद्देश काय आहे? येस, काही मॉनिटरी रिवॉर्ड घेण्यासाठीच. ओके, काही मॉनिटरी रिवॉर्ड घेण्यासाठीच. ओके, अशा प्रकारे, येस, अशा प्रकारे एफर्ट्स घेतले जातात. ओके, अशा प्रकारे एफर्ट्स घेतले जातात. ओके, गेटिंग इट? Then, any work done for entertainment or for self-satisfaction is not included under labor in economics. So, any work done for entertainment or for self-satisfaction is not included under labor in economics. So, okay, any work done for entertainment or for self-satisfaction is not included under labor in economics. Okay, when we think about labor in the terms of economics, okay, if the work is done for the pleasure, it is not included in labor. Okay, in economics, labor has no relation with the morality. Okay, yes, we can't consider labor, its relation with the morality. Okay, so any work done by animal or bird, it is not included in labor in economics actually. Okay, so when we think about labor, what is labor? Yes, labor does includes, yes, labor does includes work done by human being or man. Okay, then it is related to physical and mental work undertaken for some monetary reward and is included under labor. So any work done for entertainment or for self-satisfaction, it is not included under labor. Okay, in economics, labor has no relation with the morality. Any work done by the animal or bird, it is not included in labor. ओके, बघा, जेव्हा आपण लेबर या वर्डचा विचार करतो, काय लेबर? लेबर म्हणजे एखाद्या व्यक्तीने केलेलं काम. ओके, एखाद्या मॅनने, एखाद्या पर्सनने केलेलं काम. ओके, त्याच्यामध्ये फिजिकल अँड मेंटल वर्क येत नाही. सॉरी, फिजिकल आणि मेंटल वर्क दोन्हीही येतं. ओके, फिजिकल अँड मेंटल वर्क जे एखादा मॉनिटरी रिवॉर्ड अर्न करण्यासाठी घेतलं जातं. ओके, ते फिजिकल रिवॉर्ड त्याच्यामध्ये इन्क्लूड केलं जातं. ओके, त्याच्यामध्ये एंटरटेनमेंट किंवा सेल्फ सॅटिस्फॅक्शन ह्या दोन गोष्टी येत नाहीत. म्हणजे ओके, समजा एखाद्याने स्वतःच्या सॅटिस्फॅक्शनसाठी, स्वतःच्या प्लेजरसाठी, स्वतःच्या हॅपीनेससाठी एखादा एफर्ट घेतली असेल तर ती लेबरमध्ये येत नाही. ओके, आणि लेबर आणि मॉरॅलिटी या दोन्हीचा काहीही संबंध नाही. ओके, देन एनी वर्क डन बाय ॲनिमल ऑर बर्ड, इट इज नॉट इन्क्लुडेड इन लेबर. ओके, समजा एखाद्या प्राण्याने किंवा पक्ष्याने समजा काम केलं असेल किंवा एखादं काम कंप्लीट केलं असेल, ओके, ते लेबरमध्ये येत नाही. सो जेव्हा आपण लेबरच्या विषयी काही गोष्टी, काही बाबी लक्षात घेतो, तेव्हा प्रामुख्याने लेबर काय आहे? लेबर, ओके, वर्क ऑफ मॅन म्हणजे काय? कुठल्या तरी ह्युमन बिंगने किंवा इंडिव्हिज्युअलने घेतलेले एफर्ट्स लेबरमध्ये येतात. ओके, आणि लेबरमध्ये अजून 2 गोष्टी येतात म्हणजे काय? इट इन्क्लूड्स फिजिकल अँड मेंटल वर्क, म्हणजे दोन्हीही, फिजिकली त्याने काम केलं असेल किंवा मेंटली काम केलं असेल. ओके, शारीरिक परिश्रम घेतला असेल किंवा बौद्धिक परिश्रम त्यांनी घेतलेले असतील, या दोन्ही गोष्टींचा त्याच्यामध्ये उल्लेख होतो. ओके, आणि त्याच्यामुळे मॉनिटर रिवॉर्ड म्हणजे काय? तर त्या व्यक्तीला एक प्रकारे बेनिफिट झाला पाहिजे, इन्कम मिळाला पाहिजे, मनी त्याच्या थ्रू डिराईव्ह झालं पाहिजे. ओके, त्यानंतर एखाद्या व्यक्तीने समजा स्वतःच्या एंटरटेनमेंटसाठी एखादी गोष्ट केली असेल किंवा सेल्फ सॅटिस्फॅक्शनसाठी एखादी गोष्ट केली असेल तर ती लेबरमध्ये येत नाही. ओके, आणि लेबरचा आणि मॉरलिटीचा कोणत्याही प्रकारे संबंध येत नाही. ओके, आणि लेबरमध्ये ॲनिमल किंवा बर्डने केलेलं एफर्ट